What's up guys? This is Mike from MDP and today we're unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 9 smartphone. Okay, let's dig into this. Take what's inside the box. Okay, this is the box. Other items, drop them inside. Okay, and here we go. It's the package. It's like normal size package, of course, with the nice color, nice shifting colors. Okay. Here we go. Turn it to the side. Open the package. It's global version, by the way. Bam! What it is? Designed by Xiaomi. Okay, put this to the side. Here we go. We have our phone. Just put this to the side. What's in the box? In the box is charger and charger cable. It's USB-C, so it's gonna be very fast charging cable. It's long cable. Well, maybe not that long. Maybe 1.5 meters long. Put that to the side. Okay. Here's the charging brick. It's the charging brick is, I don't know how many watts. I don't see any output. 2.5 ampere, 9 volt. Okay, put it to the side. Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's take a look at this little box. What's inside? You can open it like this. Okay, and here's the case. Here's the case, the black case, the black crystal case. Of course, it's silicone, but still looking great. I'm gonna use that. To the side. Okay, these extra pieces, flick it to the side, and they included the SIM tool and the USB-C to aux brick. Nice. Okay, so take a look at the phone. Here we go. The 48 megapixel ultra high resolution camera, Snapdragon 855. Leading 20-watt wireless fast charge and improved in-screen fingerprint sensor. Okay, on the back we got 2 nano SIMs. Okay, so you can put one work SIM and one your personal SIM. Nice, nice. Back is looking so slick and good. Okay, let's take the plastic out from the front. Bam, 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 bam. This phone is so big. And from the back, and from the back. So here we go. Let's try to look. Maybe it got a little bit of battery still. Yeah, we got still battery. And mi.com, powered by Android. Okay, and here we go, the Mi UI 10. Okay guys, maybe I do a review of this unit, but it's just unboxing at the moment. So thank you for being with me. Just like this video if you liked it, comment if you want to ask something about this phone, or comment if you want that me to do some review of this unit, and subscribe if you want to watch my other videos. So peace.